ka?
Just 1 week ago.
Oh, muta.
Yung trading or factor.
Ba't may sarili kang nalagyanan?
I don't have sarili naglagyan.
Meron ako dun sa office. Bibigay ko sa'yo.
You're going to be done for there's still a little bit
Sweet
more.
ka.
It's delicious. I drink this at school. It's yummy. For free.
Ah, for free. Ang dami mo na iinom.
This one, when you got too strong.
Yeah, mamili ka kasi may nakalagay doon. You can choose if you want to tumma. Can you find that condensed milk? Gagawa ako ng avocado.
Tell.